Hi there, welcome back to my channel. UPPL Rajkanti Hanjani Sri Lawrence Islary Kokrajhar biapni presenting. Bitanga actually 20 polling station lo derhadaman. Man naiji polling stations. Baki polling stations ho bitanga actually jenting. The Kokrajhar biapao besibang polling station duman. Bini somoन्दै जोङो दिनै गुवारै सावरायगोन दसे उनाव क'क्राझार बियाबाव सेवलि महिलारियानो देरहादों BPF दोलोनि नोंथाङा मिथिखागौ बिथाङा देरहाखांनायनि उनाव ससियेल मिडियायाव फोसावदों The mission is accomplished आरोबाव बिथाङा लिरदों The victory reflects the hard work and discipline of the entire team and supporters. Correct? Yes, it is a celebration time. रंजानायनि समय बियो Kokrajhar LAC निफ्राय huge margin लानानै 39,633 votes margin लानानै सेवलि महिलारिया देरहाबाय आरो UPPL नि बिजेपि श्री लरेन्स इस्लारिया जेनबाय बिथाङा लास्ट टाइम देरहादोंमोन दे थांनाय 2021 आसाम एसेम्बलियाव बिथाङा देरहादोंमोन बिथाङा BPF नि बिजाथि Pramila Rani ब्रह्मखौ फेजेनदोंमोन 83,515 votes Lawrence Islary मोनदोंमोन बै समाव which is 54.11% vote share 63,420 votes मोनदोंमोन Pramila Rani Brahma and that is equal to 41.09% vote share. Rajkantiya मोनसे गेम दिनै देरहायोबा गाबोन जेननो हागौ that we know very well. All right, देग्लायनि इलेक्शनाव 2026 नि आसाम इलेक्शनाव Sewli Mohilary मोनदोंमोन 74,816 votes which is 60.76% of vote share. Huge vote share. Okay. बेबायदिनो Lawrence Islary मोनदोंमन 35,183 votes which is 28.57% vote share. Compare खालामनानै नायदो very up and down around 30%, more than 30% more Sewli Mohilary मोननो हादों. Alright. Now, मोनसे interesting point आनो जादों highest vote share in one particular polling stations. Sewli Mohilary मोनसे polling station serial number 159 निफ्राय 89.03% vote share मोनदों. Which is very high, 89.03% from 159 polling stations. Alright, बेबायदिनो Lawrence Islary 126 polling station निफ्राय 62.15% vote share मोननो हादों. So, बे मोननै polling stations बिथांमोननि थाखाय I mean lucky polling stations. Right? Let us move on. Alright, आं आगोलावनो बुंबोखादों भिडिअनि स्टार्टिंआवनो जे Lawrence Islary मोन 20 polling stations देरहादों. That means बे मोन 20 polling stations 20 polling stations फ्राव Sewli Mohilary Jending. Only 20 polling stations. Okay, 61 polling station number 61, 110, 118, 21, 39, 111, 32, 50, 37, 40, 82, 41, 59, 54, 80, 42, 44, 36, 122 are 126 polling station. About 20 polling stations more. Be polling stations from Lawrence Islary, Dehradun, Eva, Sewli Mohilary Jending. Alright, now in the next slide, be a graphical representation. Aksting nugan guju graph. Be graph actually Sewli ni vote percentage minus Lawrence ni vote percentage in those particular polling stations. Akitingai Sewli ni guju tower per nugan mani derhading. Tangai towards the end you will see after 120 polling station 120 nugan Sewli ni tower gayo negative mani jende. So there you will find 20 polling stations jara unake Sewli jende. Okay, very interesting graph. Very interesting graph. Alright guys, jene yesirese Sri Lawrence Islary Sewli Mohilary ni takai no match. Sewli Mohilary ni vote share 60.74%. It's not a joke. Sewli for the first time politics on kade. Gibi kemni takai politics on kade. Are gibi kemni takai election of Bodoland are derade. Nengtham masane. Sewli Mohilary popular leader, wajingbo mojang leader, mojang manjagra leader, bekhani derade. Eba BJP BPF alliance ni thakai se Sewli Mohilary derade. Eba popular scheme BTC government ni popular scheme are Assam government ni popular scheme ni thakai Sewli Mohilary derade. Nengthang masane. Arabo, it's a new face. Gadan makam. Nengkani Sewli Mohilary derade. Comment section lite nengthanga masane. Thanks for watching the video. Nagamun bogan. Take care. Bye.